Then we're going to go to our Beretta script, and what we want to do in here is we want to go ahead and grab the animator. In here we're going to go to animator.anim, and on start we're going to get the component which is the animator. Then in update we're just going to test this out. We need to see that this actually works. So we want to get a get key down keycode.mouse 0, which is your left mouse button, and we're going to fire our gun. Let's make this animator work. First thing I want to do is make sure that instead of going onto my actual firing state, I want to set my default layer to an empty state. And I want to be able to fire in any state. So I'm going to create a trigger called fire, and from any state I'm going to make that point over to the fire Beretta, and then I'm going to make that fire Beretta then go transition its state after it's done back down to empty idle. One of the conditions though is it needs to check to see if the trigger fire has been used, and if the trigger fire has been used then it's going to initiate. I also want to get rid of all the transition durations. I want it to be a hard cut between all the animations. That should create a really good look. Then I'm going to go into anim.setTrigger, and what is the name of the trigger? Fire. So when I actually go play the game, I'll be able to shoot and it will do the firing. Next I'm going to go ahead and take my Beretta position and put it to where I think it should be positioned on the hand. It's already pre-anchored to that gun position, so it should be good. I'm just setting it up with my inventory system and we should be able to check it out. That looks good. Like I can actually see the light, but we need to add more. We want our script to control the particles, the muzzle flash and the smoke. So we're going to go ahead and serialize those fields, and we're going to attach the muzzle flashes, both of them, and the smoke to our component with the serializable fields. We're going to connect those, and in update when we do fire, we're going to make sure we play all those particles. Now that looks even better, but we're not quite there. We're missing audio, we're missing camera shake. So we want to go ahead and add those things to it. So we're going to go ahead and add on our audio manager and our player manager to connect to the audio clip of shooting and the cam shake. Excellent.